Welcome dear learners, welcome to Ashwi Management Classes. Dear learners, today we'll be starting with a new lecture series on investment management. See, we have got many requests regarding this subject so called investment management, and today here we are with investment management subject. So, before we start the subject, let us start understanding the syllabus first. So once you understand the syllabus, you will find it interesting to study the subject so called investment management, and you will come to know what is there in which unit, how the syllabus is structured. So let us first understand the syllabus of investment management. So we know that the syllabus of investment management is structured into 5 units. Unit number 1 will be your introduction to investments. Unit number 2 will be your fixed income securities analysis, valuation and management. Unit number 3 will be common stock analysis and valuation. Unit number 4 will be your portfolio theory. And unit number 5, which is the last unit, comprised of portfolio evaluation. Anyhow, we will be discussing each of this unit and problematic parts in detail, but let us understand what is there in each of this unit. Now coming to unit number 1, it is introduction to investments. See, when you are new to the subject, it becomes my duty to introduce you to the subject. So most of the times in whichever subject we study, the first unit will be generally the introduction, because you are new to the subject and subject is new to you. So you will be introduced to the subject in the unit number 1. So unit number 1 here is introduction to investments, in which we will be studying something about what is investment, why we need to invest, if we do not invest what happens, so where we need to invest, or how the investment decision process will be, what are the sources of information. We'll come across some concepts like return, risk, and we also study the basic approaches to investment like fundamental analysis, technical analysis, efficient market hypothesis. So once we are done with unit number 1, we'll be having a brief understanding about the investments. Now we move to unit number 2, that is fixed income securities analysis, valuation and management. Now dear learners, what do you mean by fixed income securities? Like investment in bonds, debentures, etc. are called fixed income securities. Now once you have understood the investments, you got the taste of investing. Now you want to invest. Now where to invest? So these are some avenues where you can invest. Like from second unit, if you want to invest in fixed income securities, how to analyze, how to value the fixed income securities, you will be learning under unit number 2. Now see how it is designed. So you will be understanding the features of bond, debt instruments, some factors relating to bond, how to calculate the yield of the bond, valuation of bond, different types of models you will be coming across in this unit. So by the end of this unit, you will be understanding how to analyze the bonds if you want to invest really in bonds. That is what is the outcome of unit number 2. Now coming to unit number 3, we have common stock analysis and valuation. See, this is another platform to invest. So investment management is structured like this. See, first we will understand in unit number 1, we understand the introduction to investments. Now once you got the taste, if you want to invest, we will try to give you different platforms from the second, third, fourth, fifth unit where you can invest and how to analyze these avenues. See, in second unit, you will be learning how to invest in bonds, and coming to third unit, you will be learning how to invest in common stock. Common stock is nothing but your equity shares. So here common stock analysis and valuation. So how to analyze and value an equity share you will be coming across. So different approaches to the valuations. You will also be studying the most important model, capital assets pricing model, and what is meant by security market indexes, NSE, BSE, and how they are computed, and construction procedure you will be coming across in unit number 3. Now once you are done with unit number 3, we'll move to unit number 4. So unit number 4 is portfolio theory. See, portfolio is, as you know, is a combination of different securities. So here in unit number 4, in the portfolio theory, you will be coming across how to construct a portfolio theory, how to minimize, how to calculate the risk of the portfolio, what are the different models proposed by various authors or various gurus regarding this portfolio. And you will be coming across famous models like capital assets pricing model, Harry Markowitz's portfolio theory, different some important concepts like security market line, capital market line, etc, etc. So it will be helping you to know the entire theory of portfolio. The outcome of this 4th unit is to understand what is meant by portfolio and how to construct an efficient portfolio. Now coming to the 5th unit and the last unit, you will be studying the portfolio evaluation. Now once you have portfolio, you have constructed portfolio with different securities, now you want to evaluate its performance, how each of these securities within the portfolio or entire portfolio is performing. So in order to calculate the portfolio evaluation, you will be using different measures, measures like Sharpe's Trainor's Jensen's differential index, and we'll come across the mutual fund concepts. We'll be using some models to judge how the different funds are being performed. So this is all about the package or syllabus of investment management, what you will be or we will be going to understand in due course of time. Now I hope you understood the structure of the syllabus, which helps you in understanding the scope. Structure is nothing but the scope or the extent to which the subject covers. So we'll be beginning with unit number 1 in the next lecture in this series. So I will be back soon with lecture number 1, which is most probably on introduction to investment. So if you want to get notifications whenever the lecture is released, so please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, which will enable you to get the notifications whenever a lecture is released on our channel. Okay, till then, good day, goodbye.